Mystery tape. I love mystery tapes. Kind of looks. Ooh, it's not a realistic blank. It's broken. Let's find out what it is. Ooh, I don't know. Could be a recording blank. Pad looks to be in good shape. Let's put a new Wingate in there anyway. Let's see. Tension's not too bad. Let's reset it just a little bit. Get some of the slack out and add just a little bit of slack back in. This broke with the splice, so let's cut those off. Put on a new sensing foil. And let's see what's on our mystery tape. What do you think? I don't know. Let's see if we can identify it. I don't know, Rush, Triumph, you guys tell me. Thanks for watching.